I did.
Okay, so the first thing is there was a white layer in here, like a little white covering, and that was
still kind of see it.
Yeah, you can still kind of see it like attached to the muscle, kind of, but that's the parietal pericardium. And then the cavity is the pericardial cavity. Yeah. And then the cavity in here, just the body cavity, is the pleuroperitoneal cavity. Page. Stomach is this guy right here, and the stomach curves all the way around, like this whole J shape is the stomach. And you have the cardiac region of the stomach, the pyloric region of the stomach, and the body of the stomach. Inside the stomach, that's the rugae of the stomach, and then in here, up here, this is your esophagus, where it turns to all that nasty looking stuff, and that is the papilla of the esophagus. Okay, the stomach leads into the intestine, or the duodenum, which is the first part of the small intestine, which
you can't really see it on ours very well.
Yeah, it's in this area, but it ends in a pyloric sphincter, and then it goes into the duodenum. Which you really just can't see ours very well, so. Okay. What's next? Okay, we have the greater omentum, which is this. And the gastrosplenic ligament is in between the stomach and the spleen, and it continues to like right here.
You can kind of see a line.
Yeah,
you can see it in other sharks pretty well.
Yeah. The spleen is the start part.
Mesocolon. Oh.
The mesocolon is
that's something that we didn't think that it was.
Yeah, it's hooked onto the rectal gland right here.
Hepatoduodenal ligament.
Okay. This right here is your lesser omentum, and there's two parts to it. You have the gastrohepatic, which is the top one, and then the hepatoduodenal ligament of the lesser omentum. And then valvular intestine is this right here. And if you cut it open and look inside of it, I didn't cut it very far, but inside of it, it's the what? Spiral valve? Yeah, spiral valve is the inside of the intestine. Okay, these are the livers.
Falciform.
What? Falciform ligament is under here. This ligament right here.
And ostium tubae.
And in female sharks, there's going to be a little hole in there that's the ostium tubae.
Yeah, it's a female. Did we look at? Oh yeah, we looked at female. We did testes and
I don't
then
think we did.
mesorchium. Yeah, we did. The big pregnant shark.
Did we find the ostium tubae?
I think so. Maybe. At least we know where it is, so we're good.
Yeah.
Testes.
Testes under the liver, right here.
And then the mesorchium.
And this, usually this is attached to the body wall right here by this, and that's the mesorchium. You can see it on this side, where the testes is attached to the body wall, by that.
That is a female. Oral cavity.
Oral cavity. Okay.
This is oral cavity.
This area is the pharynx. You have the teeth, internal gill slits with gill rakers. And then, what else? The tongue, esophagus, spherical, glottis. Does this one have a glottis?
It was kind of hard to find, I remember. It's just a little bitty dot.
Are you sure that one on the nectar is?
Oh yeah, it is on
Yeah.
the internal gut, did you do that?
Yeah.
Esophagus.
Yeah, we got the esophagus. Just that area. Got all the, okay, pancreas. We have the ventral lobe of the pancreas. And then we have the dorsal portion of the pancreas. And right here where they connect, the ventral and the dorsal lobe of the pancreas, is the isthmus of the pancreas. Isthmus. What else? We got all that. Oral cavity, tongue, pharynx, liver, esophagus, testes, stomach.
We do rectum and urogenital villi and cloaca.
Okay. Rectum is where the large intestine comes out. This right here is the urogenital papilla. This area is the cloaca.
Position of the anus. Urinary papilla. Wait, we don't.
Spleen, rectal gland. Oh, that's just this bad boy right here.
Bile duct.
Which one? Oh, that's this bile duct. You have the right lobe. Yeah, right lobe of the liver, left lobe of the liver, median lobe of the liver, and the gallbladder. And then this right here is the bile duct.
Can we see the gallbladder again?
Oh yeah.
We need to look at it.
Yeah. Okay. Here's ours.
Mesorchium with efferent. We already did that.
Okay.
And then the epididymis. and all that.
Mesorchium. This little spot right here is the epididymis. And all these little windy things all the way down are the ductus deferens. Underneath it, like on the bottom side, that's where those Leydig's glands are. And then, okay, this area is a kidney. And this is the seminal vesicle where it becomes just like a little vesicle. And then our sperm sac is this white sac back in here.
Siphon, clasper.
Siphon, clasper, the end of the clasper is the spine. That's it.